Hello everyone. So today I'm here to talk about something that just now recently happened with me that really made me reflect, and I just slipped into my old pattern now, but awareness brought me back and I feel now good about it. So I thought I should tell this story to you because it will help you to see how you may slip into your old pattern, but awareness is something that brings you back. So what happened was I was getting ready to shoot today and I saw that some of my close friends, they were getting what they wanted in their life, what they were manifesting, and I'm also manifesting my dream life, and I could say no signs of it. And I was feeling sad, I was feeling disheartened. I was like, why not me? I was happy for them, but at the same time I was feeling sad and lack, and I was feeling left behind. And today only in the morning I was reading about emotional literacy. There is a book about emotional literacy, and the book says that when you feel something, any emotion, positive or negative, it's not about good or bad, whether that feeling or emotion is good or bad, but you should not ignore that feeling. You should feel it, and you should try to know what that feeling is trying to say you. So today only I read about this and I was like, okay, let me try it. I was in the mirror only, I was doing my makeup, so I thought, let me ask myself what I'm feeling. So I just looked at myself and I was like, Nivedita, what you are feeling? And I was saying to myself that I'm feeling sad, I'm feeling disheartened, I'm feeling heartbroken. And from that, while I was saying those, I was little slipping into my victim mindset, and I was like, I feel, why not me? I feel like, why universe is not giving me anything? I was little angry with universe, like, universe, why don't you give me what you want? You give everyone what you want, everyone have everything, but why not me? Little victim mindset. So I was just slipping into that victim mindset. I was talking about victim mindset in my previous video, and look, it's not like it will never come, but how you get aware. So I was sleeping, and then I thought, oh no, what is happening? I was just going into the victim mindset. I just got aware, and I was like, okay, 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 let me come back. And after that I was feeling a bit of guilty for feeling that. Look, I say don't judge yourself, I know, but the feeling comes and I was feeling a bit guilty. Then again I got aware and I was like, okay, I shouldn't judge myself. I looked at myself and I was like, Nivedita, what would your future version would be proud of that you will do now at this moment? So I really thought of the women I'm trying to become, and I thought, what will she be proud of for me doing now? And I thought, let me go and journal. I took out my journal and I was pouring out everything, but I was in a little bit of low frequency, like low energy. And so after I was journaling, and my mother came and she was saying something, and I reacted in aggressively. I reacted aggressively because I was in that low energy, and I again slipped into an old habit, because aggressiveness is an old habit that I'm really trying to remove. So, and but the thing is, again I got aware and I caught myself and I was like, I need to stop. So I was like, okay, I stopped and I went out and I walked for some time, and I little bought myself in the present moment, and I was like, okay, okay, I know these things happen because one bad things attract another bad thing, and that's why you got messed up. You got messed up in your emotions, you reacted and everything. I just took a pause and I was like, it's okay, whatever happened, you messed up in many ways, you slipped in your old patterns, old habits, but that's okay. You got aware, that is the main thing. Because when you got aggressive on your mother, before, when you were slipping into your victim mindset, you were not even aware that this is you can turn this patterns and these habits. But now you got aware, you paused, you stopped, you are bringing yourself to the present moment, and you are trying to shift that energy. That's very important, and that's where your power lies. And afterwards I actually felt good about it, and I was like, okay, I know I messed it, I know some all these things happen, but now I release all the guilt for whatever happened. I know I'm doing progress, I'm moving forward. My future version would only be proud of me for at this moment what I did, and I just feel so good. So the whole story actually says that it's not like you will never slip into your old patterns. I talk about this slipping into old patterns, in my previous videos, and you will slip, but it's how you bring yourself back and you keep moving forward. So you can see that I'm healing myself from so long time, but still I'm slipping. It's not like you never slip. Healing is not a straight line. I always say this line: you may mess up, you may go down, you may go up, but it's how you keep moving forward in every situation. And so I feel good about myself. I feel proud about myself that, I brought my awareness back and I shifted myself. And yeah, that's what I wanted to say. So I want to say that, girls, don't judge yourself. Like, little judgment may come. Like, I was also feeling guilty, right, for feeling that way, for going into the victim mindset. I was feeling guilty. Guilt may also come. Guilt is also a feeling, it's also an emotion. So you may feel guilty also, but guilty, because you are feeling guilty, that also means how much you want to go to your future version, how much you don't want to bring these old patterns and habits with you. That means that. So I feel like, okay, this guilt is because I don't want these patterns again in my life. I want to move forward, and so I feel good about it, about me right now, and I choose to move forward. So yeah, that's what I wanted to say. I hope you girls will bring, you will catch yourself and bring and shift yourself to the future version. And yeah, that's it. Bye bye.